Hi, I'm Stacey and welcome to my Book Nook and welcome to a very exciting video because today I have received my Fairyloot box and I'm very excited. So let's get into it. This is nice. There's none of those annoying little string things, but very nice. There we go. First thing I can see is that mug. So this is, I think it's from Kingdom of the Wicked. So let's show you a bit more. It's foiled. So if you can see, there you go. You can see that a bit more. Yeah, I think that's Kingdom of the Wicked. We'll probably say on the bottom it's got this on the inside. And does it say Kingdom of the Wicked? Right there. So artwork is by Avondale Art? Avondale Art. Well, that's very pretty. That'll go with my mug collection. I forgot we were getting a mug. Let's go for this. What is this? Grimoire pin by No One Designs. Well, that's very nice. I like that. That is a spell book. Can you see that properly? Just about. A spell book. That's really pretty. I like that. Now for this one. This is definitely going to be one of those sword replicas. And this says S and D letter opener. Serpent and Dove. I haven't read that, so I'm not sure. This is. Oh, oh, wow. Oh, look at it. Oh my god. The gemstone there. It's got the snake around there. I very much like that. Can't really see it properly. Still can't really see it properly, but you get the idea. I like the little stars on the snake. That's awesome. I like that very much. Very happy with that. And it's actually really big as well, which is nice. You can see in here is the book, so we'll put that to the side. I'm pretty sure we were getting a reading journal in this. Look at it. Like this. Like a pale green with kind of rose gold, I'd say, on there. I don't know how well you can see it because it's dark, so I've just got the living room light on. I love that. Look at that. And oh, and it's different on the back. That's absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Look inside. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ages. Wow. That's detailed. That's beautiful. Okay, so we've got a title, author, and genre. And we've got a release date and dates read, and then we've got little icons. So I'm guessing that's physical book, digital book, or audio book. There's the little icons there. And then a notes section. What's at the bottom? Little rating section, page count at the bottom, and describe this book in 5 words. Show you that there. So page count that side, rating, and describe the book. That's really nice. I like that. I haven't finished my last one yet. It's also got a ribbon bookmark in the green, and it's got a nice little strap for it as well. I like that a lot. Yeah, that's really, really nice. I am a big big fan. Can't wait to use it. Actually, I still got I'm using my old one, which is this one. So that's the last one we got. This is the new one. So once I run out of pages in this, I will move on to this one. I am very, very happy. We do have the spoiler card, and the theme is the witching hour, which explains Serpent and Dove and the grimoire, and this is more kind of botanically witchy, but that's really nice. I like that a lot. Then we've got the tarot cards. I hope that these are from what I want them to be from, because they look very much like the characters from the Stardust Thief. So we've got the Star and the Tower. And I really, really love the Stardust Thief by Chelsea Abdullah. So here's hoping. And those are beautiful. So let's have a quick look. They're from the Stardust Thief. It's Luli and Mason, and I am very happy. Okay. Interesting. So I'll show you what I'm just seeing. Orange sprayed edge. We've got, don't want to spoil myself. So we've got the bookmark as always. I like how they've framed that one actually. We've got the fairy scoop. I've got two for some reason. That's gorgeous. Got the author letter. That's really nice. Very, very nice. It's got the author letter on the back. This is The Ones We Burn by Rebecca Mix. I don't know how happy I am about getting this book. This is nice though. It's gone down into a black, but it's kind of muddy where the join is. I don't know if I enjoy that very much. I'm not sure about that. I like the black looks nice and the orange looks nice. I'm just not sure about that. Not sure the ombre is the best job ever, but this does have like a nice coppery foiling on the lettering, which is nice. Other than that, it's just kind of black. Okay, let's see. Well, tell you what, let's take the cover off first. So, okay, so this is what's under the dust jacket, which is quite nice. Kind of looks like it's by the same person who did that. So, yeah, that's nice. It's like an orangey foil. I like that. I like it when it's kind of full cover like this. And I very, very much like this. I would probably use this, to be honest, over the other one. Let's see. There. So that's a reverse dust jacket that I cannot really see. There we go. That's a bit more detailed. I'm quite liking the reverse dust jackets actually. But what I really, really like is inside this cover. That's very nice. I like that a lot. And then, yeah, they always do different end papers, which I very much appreciate. This is lovely. Kind of cracking as I turn the page though, which is iffy. But that's very nice. This one, I can't see a signature for this one. Is it supposed to have a signature? Or am I just missing it? I could have sworn it was. yeah, it says a signed book plate, so a signed book plate is supposed to be in here somewhere. Clearly I don't have one, so I will have to contact Fairyloot about that, because I would quite like my signed book plate. And then I will read you what it's about. Ranka is tired of death. Now she just wants to be left alone, living out her days in the wild north with the coven that raised her, attempting to forget the horrors of her past. But when she is named Bloodwyn, the next treaty bride to the human kingdom of Isidal, her coven sends her south with a single directive: kill the prince. Easy enough for a blood witch whose magic compels her to kill. Except the prince is gentle, kind, and terrified of her. He doesn't want to marry Ranka. He doesn't want to be king at all. And it's his sister, the wickedly smart, infuriatingly beautiful Princess Aramis, who seems to be the real threat. But when witches start turning up dead, murdered by a magical plague, Aramis makes Ranka an offer. Help her develop a cure, and in return she'll teach Ranka to contain her deadly magic. As the coup draws nearer and the plague spreads, Ranka is forced to question everything she thought she knew about her power, her past, and who she's meant to fight for. Soon she will have to decide between the coven that raised her and the princess who sees beyond the monster they shaped her to be. But as the bodies pile up, a monster may be exactly what they need. Interesting. So I will give this a go, but I have heard that it's got some there's been some controversy about it. I think I can't remember exactly what the controversy is because it's been a long time since I heard about it. But it's something about the POC characters in this. I guess I'll find out. Yeah, not sure about that book. But I'm glad I got the box because I love this. This is my favourite item, for sure. And I do adore a sword letter opener. I love them. I've got a mini collection now. So that's everything from me. What did you like the most in this box? What did you dislike? And what do you think of the book? Let me know what the controversy is because I cannot remember for the life of me. Yeah. Have you read it? What did you think? Let me know. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.